Oh.
Weather bulletin. For the following counties in Pennsylvania: Allegheny, Armstrong, and Westmoreland. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania, northwestern Westmoreland County in southwestern Pennsylvania, southwestern Armstrong County in west central Pennsylvania until 4:15 p.m. At 3:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Fox Chapel or near McCandless Township, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Pittsburgh, Penn Hills, Vandergrift, Apollo, Plum, Murraysville, Hampton Township, New Kensington, Lower Borough, Harrison Township, O'Hara Township, Oakmont, Fox Chapel, Arnold, Tarentum, Natrona Heights, Sharpsburg, Springdale, Brackenridge, and Aspinwall. This includes Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 40 and 52. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. A strong thunderstorm will impact.
Oh yeah.